I'm gonna waffle it? First of all, I'm making the viral Tofu Alfredo Udon, but vegan. Now, I don't chase many trends, but this one looks so delicious, so I decided to give it a try. Throwing down a block of silken tofu, giving it a little salt and blending it into Alfredo sauce. White onions sauteed. Throwing in some vegan meat, smashing it into grounds, and giving them a brown. Now let's add some chopped king oyster mushrooms, red bell pepper, cooked down. This is kind of a shortcut, but using this plant-based Mapo tofu sauce and pouring it down. As it all comes together, it's time to boil the udon. And it's time to assemble this all together. First the udon, next laying down the Mapo tofu, and pouring down the creamy silken tofu, and some finely chopped green onion. Visually, this is pretty impressive. And it's a super satisfying dish. I love mixing all the flavors and texture together. Not gonna lie, it's super delicious. But then I had a dangerous thought. What if this wasn't the final form? Because when you make something this good, you start wondering how far you can push it. Mapo Tofu Pizza Alfredo. So I'm making a pizza using Trader Joe's scallion pancakes. These are incredible base. So I throw it in the air fryer to make sure it's crispy. Throwing down the Mapo tofu meat and veggies and spreading it around. And down goes the tofu Alfredo sauce. Topping with Laugon Ma chili crisp and green onion. Now in my mind, I sort of just invented this thing. But I gotta tell you, it's super delicious. And I think it's even better than the udon recipe. Perhaps I'm impartial, but I want you to make it yourself so you can decide. But apparently, I still haven't gone far enough. There was only one logical step next. And it was a terrible idea, but I had to pull out the waffle maker. So when I boiled the udon for the viral Mapo Tofu Alfredo, I save some udon noodles for waffle crimes. The udon goes down and smashing it down. And whispering a quick prayer to the waffle gods, giving it a little haircut as it cooked, applying pressure, fully committed. At this point, all my hopes and dreams are tied to one question. Will it waffle or will it fail? Will it waffle or will it fail? And friends, it waffles. Plating like fine dining, a scoop of spicy Mapo tofu sauce on top, and finishing with a generous pour of silken Alfredo tofu cream. And sprinkling with green onions. I'm not exaggerating when I say this might be my favorite waffle creation yet. Would you try it? Or are you a coward?